Hey, everyone! How's it going? I've got an exciting product to share with you today, so let's jump right in. First things first, the design. It's sleek, stylish, and built to stand out. Now, about the price, it's a total win. You're getting premium quality at an affordable price, which is super rare these days. And it's so versatile. Perfect for any space, whether it's home, work, or even as a gift. It's practical, stylish, and reliable. Want to learn more?